I think what came out today is pretty much what is expected. But this idea, since it came out, really is a transformative, potentially transformative program that will unleash private capital into some of the areas of our country that need it most. And it's both an investment in real estate, where there's been a lot of the focus, but there's also an opportunity to invest in companies and create jobs in these areas. There still is additional guidance needed on both fronts, but especially on the company side. I think when you combine those two, if it's effective, this could really have a transformational effect in some of these communities.
So you could invest in real estate, or you could invest in a store, or you could invest in a restaurant in one of these opportunity zones. Walk us through, because Elon did it a little bit, but walk us through why these are so tax attractive.
Yeah, so it's a powerful incentive to unlock private capital to invest in these areas. So you can take a capital gain that you've already recognized within the last 180 days, invest it in an opportunity zone real estate, a piece of real estate or a company, and you will defer the tax on the gain that you would have otherwise recognized until 2026. And if you hold it long enough, that gain gets reduced by 15%. And then you have a potential to eliminate the tax on the investment you make in the opportunity zone. So it is a very powerful incentive, but I think that's what Treasury was designing this to do.
So tax deferral at first, then complete tax-free, provided you hold the investment in the opportunity zone for a period of, I think it's something like 10 years, but you can correct me on that.
Yep.
Now, how do you do this? Do you have to set up a fund, or if I'm an individual and I want to do this, will there be funds established that I can put my money in to take advantage of this? How's it going to work?
Yeah, so there already is a whole bunch of lawyers and accountants and bankers focused on this, and I think it's both. If you have the means and the sophistication, you certainly can make investments directly, but there is a lot of capital formation already in the works to pool people's money together and invest it in opportunity zones. So I think people will have both options.
Hey, Mark, history is littered with disastrous outcomes born of the most well-intentioned things. I don't know how this is going to work out, but could you see some bad actors getting into this as well?
The history you cite is accurate, and anything that has good intentions and even sometimes good results can have the opposite. And hopefully, because this is potentially really powerful, I can't think of anything else that has the power to transform these communities the way this does, if it works well. But of course, it does need to be policed carefully. The rules need to be made and enforced in a way so that it is positive and the negative is eliminated.